What's good, YouTube? It's your boy SirSmack, back at it again with another video, you know what I'm saying? So, good morning first off, because right now it's the morning. We're about to go ahead and go to the Porsche of Bellevue for the cars and coffee, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, we're about to pick up Logan right now, you know what I'm saying? You'll see him in the vlog right here with us. Camera angle is going to be like this, you know, something similar. But, yep, we got our C4's rating, you know what I'm saying? Bruh. We're not sponsored by it. Not sponsored by C4, but you know, it's good, gives you that energy, stimulant, you know. Anyways, about to get going, driving right now, and the weather is just a tiny bit rainy, you know what I'm saying? The whole day is gonna be cloudy, but it's a Porsche, you know what I'm saying? Built for snow, right? All right, catch y'all when I pick up Logan. He gonna be right here in 3, 2, 1, like a magic trick, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's cool. Yeah. Alright guys, so I just picked up Logan right now, right here, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. We gotta go get gas though really quickly, because unfortunately we ain't gonna make it to Bellevue with like below, what is that, 3/4 of a tank?
Or
is that 2/4? Oh, true. Shit, we haven't even checked how bad traffic is, guys. Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
I don't think it should be too bad.
Hopefully not. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not seeing any.
No traffic?
Yeah, none too.
No traffic on a Sunday morning on the way to Bellevue.
The only traffic that there is on the toll bridge to...
Toll bridge. I mean, that's expected though, right?
Yeah, to Seattle.
Yeah.
But
all
that's
right.
from Kirkland. But other than that, there's none on the 405.
Cool.
Yeah, that's surprising.
Yeah. No, that really is surprising. That sounds like a plan. We got the windows rolled down, and it low-key stopped raining a little bit, so I'm kind of glad about that, because the whole window situation, like just the seal part. But I mean, other than that, we are big chilling. So, yep, I'll catch y'all at the gas station. Okay, so we filled up the whip. Now we're on the way to the cars and coffee. So if we see any cool cars on the way there, we'll film it. But yeah. Yep, so catch y'all there. Or any other. Bro. Alright guys, so we just arrived at the cars and coffee here. I gotta lock the whip real quick. We out here with Logan. We got a cool parking spot right here, you know what I'm saying? Yep. We're a little bit late, but that's okay. It's yeah. This color. That's sick. Let's go. That's a Targa too. Like no, they're yeah. It's got the tow hook and everything. Yo, look at that! It's a 911 turbo. Oh shit! So we also have a Boxster here, guys. The car meets more back there, but I mean, like, we just want to low-key check out all the other whips here too. There's more whips over there, but like the main meat was back there. It's...
With the chicken nugget box right next
to it.
Wait,
what?
With the chicken nugget box right next
Wait,
to
what?
it. With the chicken nugget box right next to it.
Wait, what? No, that's disgusting. Jeez. What the heck?
Chicken nugget box.
So you guys, so we're almost getting ready to wrap it up here. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I think
check out this
everybody's
car.
kind of getting
Yep.
Some cars are pulling in though.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, these
Is that a
cars
Lotus?
are-
Do you get a Lotus over there?
Yeah.
That's actually sick. Oh my gosh. We gotta film this. We gotta film this really quick. That's actually sick. Okay, now we can film the Lotus.
I just love how it's shaped. It'd be a fun track car.
It's a very different sound.
What happened? Was there something back there? Was it messed up? So this is the interior of the, I don't know what model this is. Oh, it's an Emira. Okay, that's actually sick. Damn. Bro, it's got, that's like the tracks that's been to, bro. Holy shit. That's insane. All this thing's from California.
BB's in the chain living wet. Deposit I ain't hit the count yet. Shit ain't verified.
But I'm selling it too fast.
Wheels, sir.
The white one is that